scientists. My name is Shubhan Khadka.
And my name is Ankit Pandey.
Today we are going to explore some scientific tools that help us conduct amazing scientific experiments in the laboratory.
So let's start with a test tube. As you can see, this is a test tube. This is a really sensitive apparatus. The use of it is to hold, mix and store water in it.
Let's do an experiment. Let's take a dropper. Let's do a little experiment. Let's take red. Let's pour it into this.
And let's mix it with yellow. Can you imagine which color will be made?
Now let's shake it a bit. Wow, it turns golden color.
I never knew that, but still that's amazing.
Yes, it is.
So the next apparatus we are going to talk about is beaker. This is a beaker. It has the same job as a test tube, to hold, store and heat small amount of liquid. Let's do a short experiment.
Let's measure 50 millimeter of water.
As you can see, it's accurate fill 50 millimeter because of the markings.
Now next we have is conical flask. This is a conical flask.
This is a conical flask. It might look same like the test tube and the beaker, but it has a special thing. The circular bottom of it helps it from preventing spills during experiment. So let's do a fun experiment.
Let's mix soda. Let's take more soda and put vinegar in it.
Let's see what happens when we mix these two. Bye. As you can see, it's bubbling up.
Isn't that cool? It is. So, for more experiments like this, always have materials ready. Next we have is
measuring cylinder. This long apparatus, as you can see, is the measuring cylinder. This is really important in scientific learning because this is used for storing water, and it has markings. As you can see, 10 millimeter, 20, 30, and it goes on up to 100. And this is really important. Let's do an experiment.
Let's measure 100 millimeters of water. As you can see, this is 100 millimeters of water. It is also accurate, and it can also be used for pouring water into experiments.
So the next we are going to talk about are tripod stand,
wire gauze
and Bunsen burner. Yeah, you might be thinking what a tripod stand is. This is it.
This is a tripod stand. It is used to hold a wire gauze and to support the beaker
or other apparatus. Now you might be thinking what a wire gauze is. Wire gauze is a layer made out of copper that helps the apparatus balance on the tripod stand and preventing it from getting burns.
This is a Bunsen burner. You might think how to make flame to heat the chemicals. So for this reason, we have this machine. We put the Bunsen burner here and open the fire. So always have safety while doing these experiments because these are related to fire.
As you can see, this is a wash bottle or water bottle. Some of you might be thinking this is like the water bottle that we use in our daily life for drinking. But you're wrong. This has two things to do. Number one is to fill the water in the apparatus, as you can see, like this. And the second is to clean the apparatus after experiment, like this. We can keep water and clean it. So this was the last apparatus for our video.
To do these all experiments, always have fun and have safety. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.